Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss the real way to get Instagram's algorithm to promote you. So if you have been using the Instagram for a while or maybe you have just started your journey but you want to get the maximum views and a lot of followers, then everything is possible. You just have to be consistent posting videos, reels and post, and soon you will see that you have gained a lot of followers as well as views. So for that, first you have to simply open up your Instagram app, and once the app gets open, you will be onto its homepage. Now, once you're on this page, what you have to do is you have to go to your profile. On the right bottom side, we have the profile icon. You just have to simply click onto that icon and you will be into your profile. Now there are different things through which you can grow your account, but if you want to do it naturally or organically, then you just have to simply be consistent with video, but also make sure to interact with your viewers if they comment. So if you got any of the comments, you can see this creator actually replies to almost every comment. So you have to do the same. If you get any comment, make sure to reply to it. If you interact with your viewers, then they might follow you because they feel seen. The other thing is that you have to use the trending music or the audio whenever you're posting any post or maybe any reel. Make sure to add the trending music because those music that are trending, and if you create onto video into it, your video will go on for you, explore in the suggestions. So you have to work onto it, and the most important thing is be consistent. At least post one post or maybe one reel a single day. Don't forget to do it. You can post more than one, but at least one, and be consistent and wait patiently. Once your videos go viral, then all of your videos will go viral and you will get account growth. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you're new to this channel, then make sure to subscribe it for more informative videos and updates. Leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask in the comment section below. And thank you for watching the video till the very end.